Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.10, Problem 9. This is Section 2.10, Problem 9. It says put the fractions in order from smallest to largest, and we have 9/16, 3/4, and 3/8. So to put them in order, we really need to put them all over the same denominator to make a common denominator. So I have denominators of 16, 4, and 8. A good common denominator would be 16. 16 divides into 16 evenly, 4 divides into 16 evenly, and 8 also divides into 16 evenly. So let's make them all some numerator over 16. So now the first fraction, if we left the denominator the same, I can leave the numerator the same. The numerator was 9, it gets to stay 9. Now the next one, the 3/4. What did I do to the numerator to turn it into a 16? I multiplied times 4. 4 times 4 will make 16. So the numerator of 3 is also multiplied times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12/16 is the same as 3/4. And finally the last one, the 3/8. What did I do to the denominator of 8 to turn it into a 16? I multiplied times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, so the numerator would also be multiplied times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 over 16 is the same as 3/8. Now that they're all over 16, clearly 6 over 16 is the smallest. That came from 3/8, so my smallest fraction is 3/8. I will write that one first. Now the middle fraction would be 9/16, which came from, it was originally written as 9/16, so I'll put that one in the middle. 9/16. And then the largest one would be the 12/16, which came from 3/4. So I'll put 3/4 last as the largest fraction. And now they're in order from smallest to biggest. 3/8 would be first, 9/16 in the middle, and 3/4 would be last as the biggest.